Hey everybody, it's Brian Bain here with Keller Williams Realty and the Ramsey Group. And on this unique day of our shelter-in-place order, we are putting another home on the market for sale in Kannapolis. This is 207 Prince Street. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath house within 1 mile of downtown Kannapolis. It's an awesome starter home for someone who wants to come in. It's move-in ready. They can walk to downtown to the awesome new events that are down there, the baseball stadium, the brewery. It's just a great location, and I think you'll find it to be a fascinating house for you guys to take a look at. So let's go in and see. So you see the wonderful front porch. You can imagine sitting out here in the evenings, in the spring and summer evenings, enjoying the street. You can tell the next door neighbors doing a great job taking care of their home. The house across the street just sold in 1 day, I believe, or maybe a week. But look at this, as you walk in, we have hardwood floors that are pretty much gleaming and original. All new paint. So this is the living room. New light fixtures. And then the main bedroom or master, actually this is not the master, it's a little bit bigger, but it is not the master. The closet is right there. But look at these hardwood floors. I just think this house is so cool. And with Kannapolis up and coming, are already here, I should say, we're in a good spot. This is gonna be a great investment. Tile floor in the kitchen. We have nice black appliances. The cabinets were installed just, I'd say within the last 10 years, so they're not old original cabinets. These are very nice. Window looking out to the cute little camellia bush, I think is what that is. Now here's what's cool about this house. Actually, I'll show you bedroom number 2 first. So this would be your master, and maybe it's about the same size. Great natural light. There's your closet. Laundry room is off the master. This is going to be the new pedestal sink going in. We just had new tile put in the master, in the laundry in the bathroom. A new toilet put in. Tub. And then here's where the pedestal sink will go. Okay, so there's your master bath. This house has new vinyl around the entire exterior within the last year. The roof, very recent. New paint. Like I said, the floors are pretty darn immaculate. Here's the half bath. So this used to be an exterior porch. And check this out. So now you have this entire section. You got a walk-in pantry here. But then we can come out to this, what used to be the porch, to a half bath. What an awesome addition. Out to your deck. Beautiful fenced in yard. The neighbor's tree is just amazing. Awesome magnolia tree in your backyard. Look at this deck. Fantastic, it's been pressure washed. Look at the roof. I mean, everything about this house is just so cute and adorable. We got the perfect vinyl, gray vinyl, nice dark roof. And then you have storage underneath. Everything that you would be worried about with a house of this age has been taken care of. The plumbing, the HVAC system's 10 years old. But it's got great landscaping, great appeal, and we hope you come see it. If you have any questions, you can come see me or call me. Of course, you're not going to be able to see this house for a couple weeks, but it may not be available. Hopefully this video will help you out. Okay? Brian Bain with the Ramsey Group, 704-724-7890. Thanks.